Okay, you can see the triangle portion at the front now. This is the tetrahedra I was talking about in the CAD video. 1, 2, 3, this one here, and likewise on the other side. Currently missing is a rod which goes from there to there on the line of the paper. So not there to there, there to there. It's a very thin, this is basically a very thin wedge. You can see like that. Going across to the front of the windshield. This is not the windshield line, this is a bracing point down to the floor. Now the windshield line actually goes on here out to there, so there's more triangulation between the left windshield line point and there and onto the dashboard again. So again, stabilizing this point here, giving structure to the roof, rigidity to the roof, making sure that the windshield itself is not part of the structural strength. That's a common cause of cracking in windshields, is that one. Just a reminder that this point here is non-geodesic, so we'll have to do that curve. But all of this wedge thing right back all the way to include these two boxes. It's entirely separate assembly, just resting under gravity on top. And yeah, that was relatively straightforward. The mistake here with those two bamboo rods was the wrong way round. Was corrected, and it pulled that angle in so that you can see that it's not straight, and that's deliberate. And what it is that when you put the camera there, that is the line of the dashboard, of the windscreen, which is dead straight in line with here. So that pipe goes straight down, and that is the line of the windscreen, not that. It's not down this pipe here, which is why this dashboard is the windscreen line goes down. I want it to look like a frowning face. I don't want lovely smiley cars, sort of thing. They had to go, the wedge, basically they had the bottom line of that had to come to the same point. And not on this line, but on, where is it? Where's the... On that line, we'll have the door hinged. So opening up this way, coming out here, going whoop, up here. But for now, what I'll do is canvas with pockets that will have rods in the shape of this. So it will go boop, 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 and flop. I think that would be. It's quite basic. Also, I've epoxied these two boxes together and put in some bracings. One there, one here. I haven't put a diagonal across between these two. I'm probably just going to use string. I've got one bracing between here and here missing between the two pieces. So on, it's not this line, it's the one behind it, because these two assemblies are part of the back box, which is here. So that's that front line here. So that one's in. I've got to do one more across here, and then that will be a rigid box, and it will be safe to lift off and remove. Remember, that's going to be an air tunnel across there, under here, dumph, and out. down across the top of the car, top of the thara, and then you can then bump onto the back, the rear spoiler. But yeah, this is all separate. I may instead, I'm considering, no, that's part of the structure, isn't it? Just looking at it now, I'm going to have to epoxy across from there to there. No, that's done, that's there. From there to there, there to there, and there to there. There's this is going to come off, so that's a freestanding rod at the moment. This is a freestanding rod, same on the other side there. Remember, anything that's part of an attached assembly has to have bolts down onto it. So this is driver's head, coming up, oops, inside there. Can you see that was the roof line? There's the roof line. Roof line is here. Windscreen line, sorry, is there. So there's plenty of really good visibility out. I mean, the forward field of vision is really good on this, through the front windscreen, because of the central driving position of the driver. And these pipes were arranged, A, they're thin, but B, they're arranged so that they actually are in line with the pillar of the windshield, so that I think it's because I've bent another piece of glass or Lexan here to give a side window there, which will be openable by the passengers. Oh, it's all good. The thing, I'm honestly absolutely loving doing this. It is. It's something this big, just out of bits of DIY stuff, is brilliant. Alright, cool. Thank you.